Hey, thanks, Katy, for forwarding this video to the right, correct person. I'm just going to give you guys three quick tips. That way you can actually get more quality leads and traffic to your site. So the first thing that I actually want to go over is content. Everything you see is content in Google's eyes, and even the images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Instead of doing Shutterstock, I'd actually download that again and put a keyword back there. And I would beef this up to about 15 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Even also, having some sort of call to action at the top, some sort of money off, percentage off that'll just help navigate people a little bit more for you. Anyway, so if we go inside of Google here and just type in heating repair Sacramento, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. These are brand new to Google. A lot of business owners got so tired of these spammy phone calls. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of that spam. Right here, you got those old school traditional ads. These ads, you also got the old school ads down here at the bottom as well. Sometimes they split them. Sometimes they're at the top. Sometimes they're at the bottom. It doesn't really matter. This little map section right here, a lot of people have been going away with ads too because of all those ad blockers as well. So if people do have an ad blocker up and you're trying to shoot an ad over, and it's a lot of times it's not even hitting people nowadays. This little map section right here for the rankings to get in the top three here really comes down to what's called a citation. What citations are? It's a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So we'd want to go get those same citations as your competitors have, but we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking our competition. Right underneath that little map section, we have this little. This is where all the organic traffic happens. This is really, what's on your website, how much authoric content you have on your pages, plus being found for those certain keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go back to your site, take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So I can see you got 46 referring domains, 358 backlinks. Historically, you had 1.2. Back in January 2019 is really where you started your backlinking journey. The last 3 months, it kind of seems like you're losing some backlinks there. So you got 132 organic keywords you're being ranked for, which is organic traffic. You got 103 clicks on average every month to your site. If we come into the keywords here, we got your name at the top. Sacramento air conditioner, 10. Missing. Okay, you got your name. Okay, so I'm looking for more of those buying intent keywords like Sacramento, CA, HVAC. There's 30 clicks every month there. Heating and cooling, Sacramento, 20 clicks. Sacramento heating and air conditioning, 20 clicks. HVAC service, Sacramento, 30 clicks. Let me show you. You're missing a lot of the traffic because you're 8th, 9th, 19th, 10th position on a lot of these. Let me show you. This is Jaguar, one of your competitions out there. If we stick them inside of Ahrefs, I'm just going to do a quick overview. They got 121 referring domains, which is pushing back 382 backlinks. Organic keywords are at 517, but they're getting 242 clicks to their site every month. And if we go and see where those clicks are coming from, they got their name at their top. They got air condition. Okay, hang on. HVAC Sacramento. They're 7th position. They're getting a few clicks there. But there's 200 clicks in that HVAC Sacramento, which that's a really good buying intent keyword too, by the way. Heating repair Sacramento, another 100 clicks every month. HVAC contractor Sacramento, CA. Sacramento heating and air conditioning, HVAC contractor, Sacramento, 100 clicks every month. So if we go and take all these keywords and actually start ranking for specific keywords, really comes down to that content and backlinks. you'll have a lot more traffic and a lot more high quality traffic come through your door. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a game plan to help you get there. You can give me a call back at my number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.